if you've got shade trees, it'll mess with, your grass won't come in. Like, whoa, what grass are you talking about? Your Bermuda? No, but that's the perfect spot for your winter ryegrass. And in fact, mine lived all year long.
It's about the only grass that will grow into the shade is to have a winter lawn with ryegrass and make it last as long as you can into the spring and summer. Yeah.
And it's the most beautiful grass we can grow here, in my opinion.
I mean, we're really, I think this, I've been on my soapbox for 30 years on this, everybody gets on the soapbox and says, don't plant winter lawn, don't plant winter lawn, don't plant winter. I'm like, let the summer lawn die. If you want to save water, save the summer lawn that you have to water every other day or every two, a lot of water. And it still doesn't looks half bad half the time, most of them that I see. And if you've got a lot of shade trees, that the golf course that's at Hayden Cactus, I think it's Scottsdale Country Club, or what used to be Scottsdale Country Club, along Cactus Road. And they've got, not only do they have a bunch of pine trees and kind of a buffer against Cactus Road, but it's also on big mounds. Mm-hmm. And usually about July, all that and it's just bare dirt until now. And they've planted there right, and it'll be beautiful all winter long underneath those shade trees along Cactus Road. So I don't know, plant a winter lawn and
uses less water than Bermuda, and it's the time you're out enjoying it. You're not out enjoying your Bermuda lawn.
It's the absolute definition of xeriscaping is make your landscape fit your lifestyle. And if you're going to have a lawn, have it when you can enjoy it. So anyway, it does do well in the shade, does well in the sun. If once you take some water to get it established, to get it germinated and come up. But once it's there, in some winters, there was winters I didn't water my winter lawn for months because it rained every couple of weeks. So you can get lucky and have that too, but it doesn't need a lot of water once it's cool.